Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have created this pink eyeshadow look with double wing liner. So without further delay, let's start the video. I'll start by priming my eyelids with an eyeshadow base. This will help intensify the eyeshadows and make it last throughout the day. I'll take the ColourPop Smokes and Roses palette and dip into the shade Angel Eyes with a fluffy blending brush and apply it all over my eyelids, making sure to blend it in circular motion to diffuse any harsh lines. Then with a clean brush, I'll take the shade alone and blend it towards the brow bone. Next, I'll take the shade This Guy with a dense shader brush and press it in my eyelids just below the crease line. Then I'll take the shade alone and blend it out near the crease. This is to create and give a soft, diffused look to the eyeshadows. I'll go back and forth and apply the eyeshadows to intensify it. Then, with a clean blending brush, I'll go over the edges one more time to blend all the eyeshadows together. I'll mix the shade This Guy and Angel Eyes and with a short shader brush apply it in my lower lash line. I'll also create an extension outwards to create a faux wing. I'll blend out the lower lash line with a clean blending brush. Before we move forward, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Now I'll take this beautiful pink shimmer shade with my finger and press it over my eyelids. I just love this shimmer shade. It is so bright and pigmented. It has such beautiful pink and white reflexes to it that it just adds an extra oomph to the eye look. I'll then diffuse the edges of the shimmer shade to remove any harsh lines and simultaneously blend it to bring all the shades together in harmony. I'll apply a tad bit more of the glitter shade just to bring out the look. I'll highlight my inner corners and my brow bones with the shade Love Hurts, which is a gorgeous champagne shade that can be used as a highlighter. Next, I'll draw a very thin wing liner and also draw the inner corner V with the Inglot AMC gel liner. I have decided to add a tiny wing to give the eye that extra attention and make it a double wing liner look. I'll also intensify the tiny faux wing in my lower lash line with the shade This Guy. Finally, I'll curl my lashes, apply some mascara and finish the look with some false lashes. Here's the final look, just a couple of eyeshadows to create this stunning eye look. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you all next time.